motion, nigga. We having motion, we having motion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. Hey, we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. Hey, we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We having motion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Rise and grind, good people, man. I'm back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. This morning, it's an 08 Chevy Tahoe 5.3 doing the rear end. Boom. Show you how I'm gonna do that. Get it set up real quick. See, I got it up at this point on both sides. I got it up. You know, I did it one side at a time. It's both sides up in the air. Take these tires off. Get to it. Please don't forget your wheel chokes. Keep the wheels from moving forward. I got the rear in the air. Can't start, you know, because it's not in. It's not a four-wheel drive anyway. Alright. She look like she ready. I'll put the jack up underneath, right below the differential. Just to, we gonna guide that down when we're working it on. We don't want nothing to fall. I'm gonna also put some more jack stands up. Get some smaller ones and right up underneath, got it on down. That's what we got to take off. This is like the rear. Looking from the back, sway bar. Like they cut this arm, so take that out. Put the other one in. Might keep the same shocks. Put the other ones on here. I'll ask. Got some ABS. Got all of that on the car now. These brake lines right here. I'm gonna have to take the brake lines off right here. And that's what we're looking at. They cut these bars. Just gotta take those out. Put the other ones back in it. Yep. Junkyard part, junkyard. Alright, what we got? I took the brake caliper off. Take off this bracket, put all this back on, the other one. Put this rotor off. That was a, what was that, 13mm bolt, holding the caliper, 2 of them. Gonna get this bracket off. Bracket off that rotor. So we got the ABS sensor. And that bracket, those bolts are 18mm. That's a T30. That bolt to get that up out of there. Pull that from off of that. Get that out the way. Went ahead and took out this shock right here. Moved down just a little bit. That's a 21 mil. took the vice grips on one side and backed it out with my impact 21. Alright, it's 13 mil. Took this bolt out here so I can move that little hang out the way. Next, looks like we're gonna take off this sway bar link. And that's 18 mil with that sway bar. I just got it holding there for a moment before I take it out. Next, I'll work on this arm and then work on that one. And then all of this should drop down on this one side. So that bolt was a 12 mil. This is how I'm getting this one out. There. Out of there. And next it'll be this one. I need to take off that end because we're gonna keep it and attach it to the new rear end. That's that bolt. And remove that. Alright, so I got everything out on this side. And we'll see how this brake might have to take that out. Might we'll do that later. That's that brake, emergency brake. Alright, we're on the driver's side. Do the same thing. That way this thing gonna come down. See that in the middle. Get that out. We also got a bolt. Where's that bolt? It goes to this bracket right here, to this brake line. It's gonna come off that rear end. Alright, I already took the bolt out, but this hanger right here, that bolt. You can see the hole. Take that one out. Take out the e-brake. I'm gonna show you. See how that's hooked up in there. Basically, we gotta push the spring back and push this forward and up over that piece there. But I'm gonna do that on both sides. Alright, that's that. I got it on both sides. Got that bolt right there. Take that out. There, that's a let go. Show you how I get this spring out, this e-brake out of this position here. Put right here through there. Just to spread it. I can get some space and get another flathead, press these tags, both of them, and then start moving it out. And that's pretty much it. We're going to be using that, put that on the new one, do the other side as well. And I also took out, where's the clip? You see this right here? These clips. Took them off. Go right there. Take those off. There's two of them. That fall down. Alright, what is this? About 10, No, it's 12:30. I got out here at 10 o'clock. Started. It's 12:30, ready to come down. All right, and one last thing. We got these 11mm bolts holding the dry shaft in, and that is for the. And that's what we got. Shots coming out. Take those out. Yes, sir. Alright, this hose, make sure you remove it. It goes right there. Get this on up out of here. Back it on now. Set this one up. Yes, sir. Here we go with the rear on the used one. Junkyard just cut everything out. So, gotta do the same thing that I did on that. I gotta do over here. It's extra work, but gonna get it done. Take all the little brake lines off. Take those calipers off. Rotors. Yeah. Took everything off. I'll take those rotors off as well. But I'm gonna get it up under there first. And I don't want to bend the dust plate or anything, dragging it along. It's everything over here. Up. Alright, we're gonna get in position. See, this is my trick, getting these sides to roll. I roll them on the rotors. Just like that, it's easier. One hand, I can pull it. Alright, we almost there. Get a little bit more, get it a little closer. And what my goal is, I'm gonna get my jack right up under here. And got a little low profile, so make it a little better. Just to get on top of my jack so I can start raising it a little bit. And you see that? That's how I'm going back, reinstall. Alright, that's all I needed to do. Now I can push it forward a little on my jack. It's balanced on there. Same way I took it down. Alright, line everything up. That's it, man. Work one side on, went to the next, work the other side on, push it on it. There ain't nothing to it. I mean, it's easier with this low profile jack. I don't know if you do it with a regular one, it's gonna be a little bit more work, probably because you have to pick it up a little higher because of the hump. But I didn't have to pick it up too high. But yeah, man, that's what's going on. And I'm about to go ahead and put this thing back in. Check out that balance there. Going up. Alright, here we go. We got everything locked in position. I need to tighten down everything though on my bolts, but just wanted to make sure everything was fitting. Shocks, everything in there good. Make sure everything lines up when you put your shocks in, and go ahead and put your brake lines back on all the way across. And everything else back on. Rotors, calipers. Let's go. Oh yeah, another tip. Here's a tip. You see I got the jack at that point, right in front of the diff. that tilted it up in the front and made the back come in. So I was able to line those holes up and get the bolts through. If you don't do it that way, it'll be like this side will go in and that won't go in. Vice versa, if you put it in, like it won't go in at the same time. Got the tilted in the front so the back end can go in and line up. And just like that, the job is complete. It's about 4:50. Started this job at 10 o'clock. Got here on time and got it down around about 1 o'clock. Took a break for about an hour. Back at 2. Got it down and got it back up before 5. Not bad. Good time. Everything is complete. Get some light on it. Down to the brake lines. Brake lines back in. All the way across. Yes, sir. Brake, emergency brake. See it? Yeah. Show you the other side. Emergency brake. In there. That's it, man. If y'all liking the content, man, you know what to do. Like the video, get a video a thumbs up, man. I appreciate the likes. Go ahead, comment, subscribe. Got any questions, man? I'll try my best to get back with you with an answer. And that's how I do it, man. The pull-up king. Come to your spot. Mobile mechanic. Ain't got to worry about no shops. Right in front of your home. Alright, y'all be blessed. Till next time.